Can't charge $1. I would have used 1 penny, but we don't make the pennies anymore. We save money. Can't charge $1 to any country under IEPA. Not $1. I assume to protect other countries. This must have been done to protect those other countries, certainly not the United States of America, which they should be interested in protecting. That's what they're supposed to be protecting. But I am allowed to cut off any and all trade or business with that same country. In other words, I can destroy the trade. I can destroy the country. I'm even allowed to impose a foreign country destroying embargo. I can embargo. I can do anything I want, but I can't charge $1. Because that's not what it says. And that's not the way it even reads. I can do anything I want to do to them, but I can't charge any money. So I'm allowed to destroy the country, but I can't charge them a little fee. I could give them a little 2-cent fee, but I cannot charge under any circumstances. I cannot charge them anything.
Umva gufitiye amakuru meza cyane kandi ashimishije. Ngwino muri iFix Technology Limited maze tuguhe product zose za Apple waba ukeneye, harimo machine, telefone, amasaha n'ibindi byose. Uretse kubiguhera ku giciro cyiza, muri iFix tuzakugira inama nziza zo kubyitaho, kandi nibinahura n'ikibazo tuzagufasha byoroshye kubisana. N'ibindi bikoresho byose electronique ukeneye biri hanze y'igihugu tugufasha kubitumiza maze bikakugeraho mu buryo bworoshye. Ibijyanye na CCTV cameras ku mutekano wawe, aho ukorera cyangwa se aho utuye, ibi nabyo tuzabigukorera mu buryo bworoshye. Tugurisha imodoka ndetse tunagufasha kuba zakugeraho uri hose byihuse. Dusure kuri wa eshatu /ifix/ra na wa